Hello, this video is dedicated to the demonstration of the Save to WebCull extension. It is an extension that's available in pretty much every browser. So in this case, I've navigated to the Chrome Web Store and I'm going to add it in. I'm going to add the extension. It works pretty much the same in every other browser, but in this case with Chrome, I need to pin it. So once it's pinned, it will remember immediately that I have bookmarked this page by highlighting it for you. So you have a visual reference of knowing whether if this page was bookmarked or not. Likewise, it can be removed as well, just like it can be added. To add it, I would just click on it again and it is added. I can change the folder that I would like the bookmark to be saved in. I can either use the drop-down menu to select new folders or different folders. I can create another folder, create a folder. Just as an example, I'm going to add a tag called web store and some notes about it. I can also customize the title from here and then just basically leave the window to close, and then I will be able to actually navigate to this link that was saved, if I can remember where I saved it. So that's another feature. I can actually go and see where a particular link was saved. So cool sites, tools, and create a folder. Cool sites, tools, create a folder, and there's my link. The title you can see has been customized. There was some information that was scraped from the site, like the description, the title, and this email somehow got scraped as well. And then the tags that I saved and the notes that I saved. So likewise, you know, from after it's been saved there, you can go and click it again and change its location. It actually, the location feature is pretty cool because you can actually use it in a text-only way, but then as well as using the drop downs that are created when you just basically move the selection of your cursor to the various folders. So what these drop downs represent are the folders that are available in each of the corresponding folder that your cursor is selected on. So in this case, I can see cool sites, but that's actually the top folder. So I could actually change the folder to read, for example, and then just leave it, and we'll see that our bookmark was moved to the read folder. Save to WebCull. It kind of gives you two ways of using it. One way is the quick and easy point and click, but the other way is using your keyboard only. You know, you can just basically quickly navigate your folders and move things around, create folders. And the other feature that this has is the ability to save a bookmark in different accounts. Let's say if I didn't want this bookmark to be saved inside this account that I have. So I could remove it and I can switch accounts, and then I can go into another account. In this case, some other account I've created, and I can see that I have these folders here. So I could put this link into, let's say, this folder, just as an example. And now you'll see that from here it's been removed, and you know, like it's not there anymore, and instead now it's inside of my designer account. Where did I put it? Optimization, and there it is. You know, so from here it gives us quick and easy access to be able to move links around from different folders and move links from between different accounts. I could save it easily from into multiple accounts just by not removing it, and then switching into another account and then putting it into another place. Now this is actually quite useful whenever let's say if I wanted to quickly share a link, you know. So WebCull has the ability to create web feeds, which is basically like a shareable URL that's available to be given to anyone. As long as they have this URL, they'll be able to see the links that are within inside of it, kind of like as if it was their own account, but just for this folder, and they can't modify anything. But I'll save going into more details about this for another video. I'm about to show you an example of how I can put a link directly into this web feed using the extension tool. So let's just go again with this link. I was just showing that the color folder is actually a web feed. So when I put it into this web feed, automatically it means that I have now shared this link on this web feed. Well, in this case, it doesn't have automatic sync, but it still is available when you refresh. So when I refresh, I can see the link that I just put there very easily, and I can remove it very easily as well. So this is an example of just how, like I first showed how a link can be saved just in your regular bookmark manager, that's your own personal folders, but then also how your personal folders can also be converted into web feeds, and then links can be saved into this folder, which make them automatically shared within your web feed URL. So yeah, it's quite simple, but it's an extra way to be able to quickly get those links tucked away inside of your bookmark manager, organized, and even shared. So that's about it.